When you arrive for your CT scan with contrast, you will be greeted by a nurse. If your test involves an IV, the nurse will insert this before your test. Your CT scan is a way of taking many X-ray pictures of your body from different directions. A computer puts the pictures together to let the doctor see bones, blood vessels, and organs. Most patients do not need to remove any clothing for the scan. However, you may be asked to change into a gown or remove some clothing depending on the part of your body being scanned. Your CT scan will use a special dye called contrast. The contrast will move throughout your body in your blood. The contrast will allow doctors to see inside your body. You will take the contrast by drinking a liquid, or you will have the contrast inserted into your blood using an IV. After your IV is inserted, you will talk to the technologist about what will happen during your test. The technologist will answer any questions you have. The technologist will also ask you to take off things that might affect the image, like glasses, watches, and jewelry in the area that is being scanned. The technologist will ask you to lie down on a table for the scan. The table will move in and out of the scanner as it takes pictures. The scanner looks like a large donut. Unless your scan involved drinking contrast, the technologist will inject the dye using the IV line inserted by the nurse. A technologist will go into a different room to run the test. They will still be able to see and hear you using a microphone. You will be able to let the technologist know if you need anything or feel uncomfortable during the scan. A CT scan usually takes 15 to 20 minutes for each part of the body being scanned. It may take longer depending on the part of your body. You should ask the technologist how long your scan will take. At the end of your scan, the technologist will help you off the table. If you wore a gown, you can change into your clothes at this time. Remember to collect any items you may have removed during the test, like your glasses or jewelry. Be sure to ask any other questions you have about the test before leaving.